are the objectives of our lesson for today's session. Number 1. Identify the materials that undergo decay. 2. Describe the materials that undergo decay. 3. Classify the materials whether they decay or do not decay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magandang umaga mga bata! Ako nga pala si Teacher Noralia A. Dikritan mula sa Tampara District, Division of Lanao del Sur 1. Ang inyong magiging guro sa Science 4 sa araw na ito. Before we explore our lessons for today, let us first review our previous lessons. Are you ready for it, kids? Let me hear it! Oh, excellent! I have here a 4 pictures that you will be going to identify if it will sink or float. Are you ready for it, kids? Very good! Okay, let's start. This is boat. The second one is coin. The third one is rock. And the fourth one is plastic bottle.
Identify which column does the picture belong. Are you done, kids? Okay, let's check your answers.
Very good, kids! You really understand our previous lesson.
Remember, sink means to fall to the bottom of the water, while float means to stay on the top. That was our last topic, which is the materials that may sink and float.
Since you are already awakened by our activity, let us proceed to our lesson. Handa na ba kayo mga bata? Very good! Pero, bago natin simulan ang ating paksa ngayon, mayroon tayong mga kakailanganin. Ano-ano ang mga ito? Ihanda ang mga ito. Module, papel, at ballpen. Naihanda na ba mga bata? Magaling! I have here a picture of an apple. Then, let us explore what will happen in that apple for 6 days. Handa na ba kayong matuto mga bata? Magaling! Tara, ating linangin ang ating mga sarili.
Our lesson for today is all about materials that undergo decay. What is decay o pagkabulok? A decay means to be slowly destroyed into bits in the presence of water, air, and soil. Ang ibig sabihin ng pagkabulok ay ang paunti-unting pagkasira ng isang material sa pamamagitan ng presensya ng tubig, hangin, at lupa. But not all plants and animals decay at the same time. Here are some examples of a decay. A banana. Mango. pizza. A. Tomato. A materials is decaying when there is the presence of molds, foul odor, worms, and bubbles forming. Masasabi nating nabulok ang isang material kapag ito ay mayroong amag, di kaaya-ayang amoy, uod, o mga bula. Factors that contribute to the decaying process of the materials are sunlight, water, soil, and action of microorganisms. Ito ang mga prosesong nakakapag-ambag sa pagkabulok ng isang material. Ito ay ang sinag ng araw, lupa, tubig, at ang mga aksyon ng mikrobyo. Here are the examples of fresh to decay materials. Fresh pineapple to decayed pineapple. Fresh strawberry to decay strawberry. Fresh banana to decayed banana. Fresh tomato to decayed tomato. Let us check what happened to the apple after 6 days. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Have you observed what happened to the apple in the picture? Very good. It becomes decayed.
Handa na ba kayong sagutan ang mga nakatalagang tanong? Magaling mga bata!
Activity 1. Find me. Let us check your answers. Identify the materials that undergo decay. Put a check mark if the material will undergo decay and mark X if not. Number 1. Banana. Does banana undergo decay or not? Very good. Banana undergo decay. Number 2. Hollow block. Does hollow block undergo decay or not? Very good. It doesn't undergo decay. Number 3. Axe. Does axe undergo decay or not? Very good. Axe doesn't undergo decay. Number 4. Meat. Does meat undergo decay or not? Very good. Meat undergo decay.
Very good, kids! You've done a great job! Alhamdulillah! Sana marami kayong natutunan sa araw na ito, mga bata. Muli, ako si Teacher Noralia, nagpapasalamat. Paalam!